All right, guys, it's Thursday. Just want to come on and give you a quick update because we are in storm alert weather mode. Now, the first part of your day is going to be tame. Later today, we'll have the chance for severe storms between about 4 and 10 Eastern time or 3 to 9 Central, depending on where you live. Damaging winds, large hail, all going to be a possibility with any of the storms that develop later on. So as we track it all out, first part of your day, tame, going to be quite a bit of cloud cover. After lunchtime, we're going to try to get some peaks of sunshine. Now, the more sunshine we have, the more storm fuel we'll have as well. And conditions are already going to be favorable for these storms to grow very large today and get up high and tap into some of that cold air. And with the freezing layer being pretty large as well, there's going to be a pretty sizable hail growth zone, which could lead to some fairly large hail and of course damaging wind gusts. But notice after about 5, 6 o'clock, things really start to increase. Now this is going to be a relatively quick pop of severe threat. I think after, we'll say, 8, 9 o'clock, these storms are still going to be rolling through, but watch how quickly they start to fade away and move off to our east by about 9, 10 o'clock. So things really will taper off quickly after the sun goes down and we lose some of the daytime heating. But that window from 4 to 10, especially about 4 to 8:30, that's likely when the storms will be at their strongest. And then tonight things clear out, and tomorrow's actually trending drier as that boundary drops further to the south. So Friday's actually looking pretty good. So we just need to get through today. Level 2 out of 5 risk issued from the Storm Prediction Center. This covers our entire coverage area, and as we zoom out, pretty large severe risk from the Florida Panhandle all the way up to Virginia and West Virginia. But the highest increase in potential for severe weather has been in this yellow shade. If you recall, yesterday we had the level 1 out of 5 risk, but nonetheless, definitely something we need to pay attention to later today. There's also a threat for significant hail up to 2 inches in diameter or greater, which is roughly the size of golf balls. So any of these storms could produce large hail. Doesn't necessarily mean they will, but the ingredients are going to be there for hail development. So we need to watch that closely with those purple shaded areas, which includes a lot of our coverage area: Chattanooga, Dalton, LJ, Athens, Dalton, Dunlap. Tornado threat low today, not really one of my top concerns, but still 2% within a 25-mile radius. Again, low in tornado threat for the Tennessee Valley, but we can't completely rule it out. And if you recall, on Saturday, we had that one tornado touchdown in Jackson, DeKalb counties, and the threat was very low. So even with a low threat, there's still a tiny chance. So be weather aware today. We are trending a little bit drier through your weekend, and then we'll have more rain in next week, Monday and Tuesday time frame. So again, we'll be here all day. Hannah will take over the 4, 5, and 6 o'clock shows this evening. I'll be in at 11, maybe even a little bit earlier, tracking some of those storms. So be weather aware, download the Local 3 weather app, and of course, have a safe and a wonderful Thursday.